Yuri, this place is full of Fisk guys with suspicious bulges. Guns. I'm talking about guns, obviously.
I can't order a raid over bulges.
Just a hunch, but there might be a public disturbance pretty soon.
Everyone's underestimated. Cops, Spider-Man, Mafia.
And they're gonna pay the price.
In a way, once the boss gets out, it'll be easier.
Everyone knows he's the Kingpin. Everyone knows to be scared of him.
Trust me, they knew before.
For real? Then why'd all those solid...
Heads up! Spider-Man's around!
Come out now, and I'll kill you quick.
Hey, cover my... Anyone else hear that?
Com check, Echo 1. No response.
Guys, over here!
Check on his position.
Bad day. Get back down here! Enough! Knock him out! Can't let him beat us! Take cover!
More guys? Okay, form an orderly line. I promise I'll arrest everyone.
Get ready for some pain.
Take cover! Get out of the way! He can't take us all! Get down!
Boss wants your head.
Come on! That's not fair! Come back down! He can't take us all!
I'd run.
It's sad that when I see a mob rushing toward me, I assume they want to kill me. But they always do.
Spider-Man, every worker assigned to that site reported winning big in Atlantic City recently.
Quick and dirty way to launder money. Could be where Fisk keeps his cash these days.
We shut it down, we'll really put the squeeze on him. I'm working on a warrant.
Way ahead of you.
He's mine!
Reinforcements! Great! I was getting kind of sick of these other guys.
Where that came from! down already! The hell is this stuff made of?
More of them! Find someone who cares about you like Willie's guys care about getting kicked in the face, and you'll be golden!
This'll shut your mouth. Dig in! Gotta stop it! This'll wrap things up. Get these webs off me! Alright, let's finish him off! How was he beating us? Got a present for you! You don't mess with Kingpin and live. I'll shut you up and murder you when you come down! Got something for you.
Your people won't have any problems here now.
And Wilson Fisk's problems just keep adding up. Nice going.